Well, he's a suspected pedophile accused of abusing children in Goa. He's in the United Kingdom and now India wants him back. Raymond Varley will be facing a ruling in a UK court in an extradition case on the 7th of July.
Well, however, Raymond claims that he has dementia. The big question really is that despite the grave charges, will India get back the child sex offender?
India wants this 66-year-old. Raymond Varley is a suspected paedophile. Varley is alleged to have been a part of an international ring which targeted orphans in Goa between 1989 and 1991. But a court in Britain ruled in May that Varley cannot be extradited, accepting his claim that he was suffering from dementia. The Westminster judge said,
finding an extradition order to face trial for a man suffering from dementia, needing immediate daily support, must be both unjust and oppressive and therefore barred.
But what has baffled many is how did Varley, who is from West Yorkshire in the UK, manage to get a report from a neuropsychologist who was based in Norwich, some 291 kilometers away. The report said he had widespread, moderate to severe impairment, severely affecting everyday life, but cannot pinpoint the type of dementia, but it may be Alzheimer's.
The Westminster Court in Britain in May this year turned down the request of Indian government to extradite sex offender Raymond Varley, wanted in the sexual offences against children in an orphanage in Goa since 1991. Varley's defence that he is suffering from dementia was accepted, and also Varley said that if he is extradited, he is going to commit suicide as it is going to be against his human rights to extradite him. The case will come to hearing on 7th of July in the court once again.
The Interpol Red Corner notice was issued against Varley in 2001 after a Goa court issued non-bailable arrest warrants against him. But Varley continued to move around freely despite the warrant. He travelled between Thailand, Britain, Mexico and Slovenia before being arrested in Bangkok. He was, however, sent to Britain despite the Interpol notice. On July 7th, a court in Britain will hear India's appeal for extradition. All eyes on whether Varley's claim of dementia gets the backing from the courts.
There's a lot of anger here in Goa about the Western double standards in this case. While the West tom-toms its zero tolerance policy over pedophilia, what surprises to authorities here in Goa is the fact that how can a convicted mass pedophiliac is able to escape the law in England. With camera person Mangesh Sawant, Kamlesh Sutar in Goa for Headlines Today.